Cyber Centre training. In this video we will be describing how you can create a guest account just like the one that used to exist within Windows. I'll share a bit of information about that account now, and then how we can create a new guest account going forward. First off, we want to run command prompt as administrator. Then we will type in net space user, and as you can see there is a built-in account called guest, but it is no longer available. Windows removed these because of the issues around security. If we have a look at the account itself, it still exists, but you can't actually access it anymore, at least not through the means of the welcome screen either. You could indeed make the account active, but you wouldn't be able to log into it, at least not the conventional way of logging into Windows at the welcome screen. So how can we create a new guest account with the same permissions? So to do this, we type in net space user and then give the guest account name. So we'll give it guest_temp and then /add. And now we have a new account that we can log into. We then check the permissions of that account, so net user guest_temp, and they're just a normal user account and the membership is none. So how do we turn this into a guest account? We go net local group guests /add guest_temp. We also want to remove them from the users list, so we do this by going net local group users /delete guest_temp. Now when we have a look at the properties of the guest account, we go net user guest_temp. We can now see that the account's active and ready to use, but again they're only a member of guests and they're not a member of any other local groups. So we have now created a guest account that you can use, which has severely restricted access to things, which for a guest account you want. They won't be able to install anything or make any changes to the system, so it's actually very useful. And when it comes to account security, they can't do a lot on it other than browse the web or do some word processing, so it effectively makes you a little bit more secure, especially if you need guests to log in and be able to surf the internet and then leave. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please rate, subscribe and stay tuned for further content.